Welcome viewers, today we're going to drill holes in a Renault Master roof for a van build. So the next challenge is to fit solar to the roof, and we've got these little holes for the roof racks. I want to put roof racks on, so we need ones that fit a Renault Master. So then the two solar panels will go on, and not only will that provide solar, it'll actually provide a little bit of a flyer over the top to repel heat. Okay, so that's the next challenge. Let's see what happens. I'm at my mum's at the moment down the Gold Coast. Beautiful day down here. Nice to be in the bush. I'm tired.
Just stop mucking around, get back and get the truck fixed up.
Oh, it's not a truck, it's a van.
Well, get the bloody van fixed up then.
Where's Bella?
Bella's like, you get to do it.
Where is she? Where is she?
They're laying in the sun.
Laying in the sun, Bella. Hey, Bella.
Get a shot of it like that.
Oh, look at that. Hey? It's this dog is mated with a horse, and that's how we got it so big. Hey, Bella.
Bella.
Here we go. Oh, this is dangerous. Look at this. Bella can. Bella. Bella, what are you doing? What are you doing, big dog? Hey? There she is, the star of the show. Bella. Bella, 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 Bella. So there we go. We just got this. Just goes straight over that hole. It's got a rubber backing on it. So that's how it works. It's coming through the ceiling there. It's quite amazing. It's just rubber grommets. So you've already got holes pre-drilled in your Renault Master. So there shouldn't be many excuses to drill many more holes, because there's about 5 sets of these going down the length of the van. So there it is. Let's have a look there. That's the thing. Before you put this on, start on. So there we have the flaps off, and we're ready to go to the roof of the Renault. First step is to put this key in, unlock the side of the roof rack, and we can start the installation on top of the roof of the Renault Master. Just turn the key and that flap comes off. Well, there are the roof racks on the Renault Master. I've got the front ones on there. I'm going to put some on the back. I bought those off eBay, I think for about $170 for the set. I'm going to buy another set for the back. It took me a long time to put them on, only because a lot of you know what it's like when you get these things. It's a bit like IKEA. Once you've done them once, you're right, but getting used to the quirks of putting one of these things on a new vehicle in a new way. It's a little different every time, but I was quite surprised with those little grommets in the roof of the Renault Master. You don't have to drill any holes. You just pull the grommet out and you've got your hole ready waiting for you. So that'll be perfect too for when we get on to introducing the solar to inside the cabin. So that's a story for another day. All done now, and as usual, stay awesome. There it is coming through the ceiling there. It's quite amazing. It's just rubber grommets. So you've already got holes pre-drilled in your Renault Master. So there shouldn't be many excuses to drill many more holes, because there's about 5 sets of these going down the length of the van.